Bail is a right, not a loophole.
Can a person who is on bail have the right to travel? Pwede kang mag-apply ng authority to travel. Before leaving the Philippines, you have to go to the judge kasi nagka-piyansa ka lang, okay? Because kung walang, kung pwede ka lang umalis anytime, wala na. Parang wala ka ding kaso.
Bail is a right, not a loophole.
Kasi dati ang idea, kung nanonood ka ng movie or yung mga action movie, akala nyo, pag magpiyansa,
Wala na, taas na. Wala na sila, hindi na sila makukulong forever.
hindi. Okay? Temporary lang ang liberty. But in reality, hawak pa rin sila sa leeng ng ating quirks. You do your part as police. Provide the necessary evidence para ma-convince si judge that the evidence of guilt is strong. Kaya tayo nag-aaral dito, take this seriously because ignorance of the law excuses no one. Okay? The right to bail honors the presumption of innocence. A strong evidence ensures the certainty of justice.